Hey developers, so in this video I'm going to talk about font style in Tailwind CSS. So there is basically one style that you can use in Tailwind CSS. So let's try to use it. So let's try to add a p tag here. This is italic text, and let's try to use the classes. So here class italic, and let's try to make it bigger. So text 4XL and text blue 600. Let's save this file and let's open in browser. So as you can see, the text is italic. You can also use another class and let's try to use it with a breakpoint. So let's try to use with the SM and then colon, and let's use not italic. And if I save this file, if I go to the browser and let me go to the mobile view, and let me also reload the file. So as you can see, this is italic text, and if I increase the width of the screen, it will change. So as you can see, this has been changed to not italic text. So this is how you can use italic and not italic class in Tailwind CSS.